In the jungle loud and clear, animals sing come and hear. Each one has a special sound. Let's explore what can be found. The cow says moo, 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 soft and gentle just for you. The dog barks woof, 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 running round on a furry hoof. The cat goes meow, 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 purring sweetly as it cowls. The duck quacks, quack, 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 swimming across the river track. The lion roars, roar, 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 king of the jungle we adore. The frog croaks, ribbit, ribbit, by the pond that's where it visits. The bird chirps, tweet, 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 a melody so soft and sweet. The horse neighs, neigh, 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 galloping swiftly through the day. Learning sounds is so much fun, let's make friends with everyone. Animals talk in their own way, listen close to every day.